Let's see. Oh, yeah, boy. Mama always knows it right. I'm calling this one the Susan. Oh my God, this is good. All right, YouTube. Today, as part of our quest for the perfect chicken skin, we're gonna make what my mom calls red chicken and rice. All right. We'll see how that works. I loved it as a kid. I'm gonna show you how she does it somewhat. This is our ingredients. So we have some diced tomatoes, 2 pounds of rice, 8 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, 2 cups of my favorite ragu meatless tomato sauce, and we have 6 cups of water. Of course, we have our chicken in the back. All right, my chicken, all I did was put some pepper on it. Underneath each leg quarter, I stuck me a little bit of butter, all right? Now, we have to add the rice, all right? When we add the rice, we're gonna try to equal it out. What we don't want is we don't want a whole lot of rice on top of our chicken, all right? So we're just gonna add it. And we have to move it around with our fingers, and that's what we're gonna do, because that's what God gave us today. Yeah, this is just 2 pounds of brown rice. The cheapest rice you can find, really. That's what she told me to get. She said, you guys eat too much. So we didn't get nothing expensive to feed you with. We just got the cheapest stuff we could find. Okay, thanks Mom. Love you. Fill in some gaps, knock it off my chicken a little bit. This is looking good so far. All right. All right, I can get rid of that. All right, so now we got our water, all right? We got this tomato sauce, all right? And we got this bouillon. Well, the bouillon goes in the water first, right? We just give her a nice little mix. I know the package says to let it dissolve. It ain't gonna dissolve in there today because that ain't boiling water, that's cold water. We're gonna take our red sauce. We're gonna put our red sauce in there too. Oh, that's a wonderful noise. All right. Put a little bit back in there. Try to get some more of that. Those calories out of there. Dump her in there. All right. This here I'm going to stir up just for a little bit. All right. Just keep it going. We're just going to stir her up. All right. So here we go. We got our chicken. We got our rice. Now we got 8 cups of water, right? Because I started out with 6 cups of water. I added 2 cups of this mighty fine red sauce. Now, I'm gonna put this in there, but what I don't want to do is I don't want to splash around too much. Well, maybe I do. Maybe I need to slow down a little bit. It's all gonna equal itself out in the end. Shouldn't be making a mess. All right, I'm done with that. All right. All right, so now we got these little spicy tomatoes. I think they're called rotellas, right? Rotellas, diced tomatoes and green chilies, right? This here, I don't care where they go. You know, oh my goodness. You just make it taste so good with these things. It don't matter. And Mama didn't add these. This is me adding this. Because I love these little things. And, you know, it needs a little bit of, no, it get a little bit of, That's what I call that. All right. So this grill here, it's set for 325. I'm not going to probe this chicken. This chicken is going to be in there for about an hour and a half. And I'm going to come back in an hour and a half. And I'm going to stir this rice up, right? Gotta make sure that liquid gets absorbed by the rice. We don't want soup, we want rice, right? So we're gonna stir it up in about an hour and a half. I'll hit it with the thermometer then. We'll judge as we go. Here we go. All right, would you look at that? Just look at it. Let me pull that out of there. It's time to stir this up. I'm going to flip her. I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese to it. She's almost ready to get out of here. All right. Give it a little stir. We're not flipping the chicken. We're going to flip the way, I call it my trough. I guess it's a roasting pan. We're going to flip the way it sits. Before we do that, we're going to add Parmesan cheese to it. Why? Well, because we can, and it's Parmesan cheese, of course. And it's going to taste real yummy. Oh my goodness, just look at it. Just look at it. Oh, I need more Parmesan cheese over here. Just look. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, get in there real close and just let them see that. My mama used to make it very similar to this. Only difference is I add more tomatoes. She always used tomato paste and tomato sauces. Oh my goodness, if you look at that. Shut my mouth good. Alright, we're going to put it back in there. It's going back in for about, I don't know, 10 minutes. We're going to pull this baby out. And we're going to see what she tastes like. We'll be back in 10 minutes. Alright. Just check that out. Oh my goodness, does that look good or what? Oh my goodness. All right, let's get this on a plate. I'll tell you what I think of my mama's chicken recipe. Oh my goodness. That's gonna be some good chicken right there. Oh boys, that's some good eating right there. Yes, sir. All right. That's good right there. Oh, yeah, boy. Mama always knows it right. I'm calling this one the Susan. It's like an 8.9. And Mama, if you're watching, it's a 10. But we're going to say 8.9. All right, Facebook, YouTube, I don't care who you are. We got to go and eat. Bye.